Good morning. Welcome to the Grand Woodward Hotel.
Hi, good morning. I'd like to make a reservation for the third weekend in September. Do you have any vacancies?
Yes, sir. We have several rooms available for that particular weekend. And what is the exact date of your arrival?
The date is 22 July.
How long will you be staying?
I'll be staying for 2 nights.
How many people is the reservation for?
There will be 2 of us.
And would you like a room with twin beds or a double bed?
A double bed, please.
Great. And would you prefer to have a room with a view of the ocean?
If that type of room is available, I would love to have an ocean view. What's the rate for the room?
Your room is $590 per night. Now what name will the reservation be listed under?
Charles Hanayan.
Could you spell your last name for me, please?
Sure, Hanayan.
And is there a phone number where you can be contacted?
Yes, my cell phone number is 555-26386.
Great. Now I'll need your credit card information to reserve the room for you. What type of card is it?
Visa. The number is 987,654,321.
And what is the name of the card holder?
Charles H. Hanayan.
Alright, Mr. Charles, your reservation has been made for the 24th of September for a room with a double bed and view of the ocean. Check-in is at 2 o'clock. If you have any other questions, please do not hesitate to call US.
Great, thank you so much.
My pleasure. We'll see you in July, Mr. Hannigan. Have a nice day. Hey everyone, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this.